Hello, grade 2 students. Today, let's have another talk about the solar system. We will know what makes up the solar system. We will answer this question as we go along with our video presentation. First is the sun. Did you know that the word sun refers to a star around which planets revolve? Our sun has 8 major planets that circle it. One of them is our home planet, Earth. The sun and the planets are popularly known as the solar system. However, other space objects circle the sun. Next is the planet or planets. The name of the planets is listed below, circling the sun from the nearest to the farthest. First is the Mercury, next is the Venus, followed by the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the dwarf planet, which is the Pluto. Astronomers are people who observe space objects. What have astronomers learned about the 8 planets? First, the planets travel in their paths or orbits around the sun, so they do not bump each other. Next, the first 4 planets closest to the sun are made of rocks. They are described as rocky planets. The rocky planets are the Mercury, Mars, Venus, and Earth. Third is, beyond the orbit of Mars is a group of chunks of rocks and dust, also circling the sun in a wide orbit. It is called the asteroid belt. The 4 planets beyond the asteroid belt are made of gases. They are called gaseous planets. The gaseous planets are the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Aside from the 8 major planets, there are smaller ones called dwarf planets. They are generally smaller than the major planets. Next is the moon. Moons are smaller space objects that circle some planets. Some planets have many moons. Mercury and Venus have no moon. Our Earth has 1 moon. We have the asteroid and the meteoroids. As mentioned earlier, asteroids are chunks of rocks circling the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. The cluster of asteroids is known as the asteroid belt. Meteoroids are also pieces of rocks that come from comets that break up as they come near the sun, or from asteroids that crush against each other. When a meteoroid crosses the Earth's orbit and enters the Earth's atmosphere, it flares up. By then, it is called a meteor or bulalakaw in Filipino language. When a meteor does not burn up completely and reaches the ground, it is called a meteorite. We have comets. Comets are balls of ice with gas and dust inside. As a comet comes near the sun, the ice melts, and the gas and dust are thrown out from the head and tail of the comet. You have just learned that our solar system is made up of the sun, planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. You will learn more and more of these space objects as we move on to higher grade levels. That would be all for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye and thank you so much.